Number 1. Mercury. The swiftest and smallest planet. It's orbiting the Sun in only 88 days. It has a rocky surface, with many craters and a thin atmosphere. It has no moons and experiences extreme temperatures, ranging from minus 173 degrees Celsius to 427 degrees Celsius. Venus, Earth's superheated twin sister, with a similar size and mass. It has a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid, creating a greenhouse effect that makes it the hottest planet with an average temperature of 462 degrees Celsius. It has no moons and rotates very slowly, taking 243 Earth days to complete one spin. Earth, our homeworld, the only planet known to support life. It has a moderate climate, a rich biosphere, and a protective magnetic field. It has one large moon, which stabilizes its tilt and causes tides. It rotates once every 24 hours and orbits the Sun once every 365 days. Mars, the red planet, named after the Roman god of war. It has a thin atmosphere of carbon dioxide, a cold and dry climate, and a reddish surface, due to iron oxide. It has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, and several volcanoes, including Olympus Mons, the largest in the solar system. It rotates once every 25 hours and orbits the Sun once every 687 days. Jupiter, king of the planets, the largest and most massive in the solar system. It has a thick atmosphere of hydrogen and helium, a powerful magnetic field, and a complex system of rings and storms, including the Great Red Spot, a giant hurricane that has lasted for centuries. It has at least 79 moons, including 4 large ones called Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. It rotates once every 10 hours and orbits the Sun once every 12 years. Saturn, jewel of the solar system, the second largest and most beautiful planet. It has a similar composition and structure to Jupiter, but with a more prominent ring system made of ice and dust particles. It has at least 82 moons, including one with a thick atmosphere and liquid methane lakes called Titan. It rotates once every 11 hours and orbits the Sun once every 29 years. Uranus, the original ice giant, the third largest and coldest planet. It has a thin atmosphere of hydrogen, helium, and methane, giving it a blue-green color. It has a faint ring system and at least 27 moons, including 5 large ones called Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon. It rotates once every 17 hours and orbits the Sun once every 84 years. Pluto is also a dwarf planet that was once considered the 9th planet, but was reclassified in 2006 due to its small size and irregular orbit. Pluto has a frozen surface, a thin atmosphere, and 5 moons.